Hey guys, Cam from the future. So while I was recording that update video, I realized something. That picture of the Cybertruck with the hours and shit on it, that was when I was actually, recording that video. That was a little beforehand. So that's not gonna be relevant to now because it has actually came out. And yeah, this is the sneak peek to the next build we're doing. So yeah, just remember that type of thing. So it was a mistake on my part back then, and not much you can do about it. So yeah, on that note, I'll see ya. Have fun with the video. Hey guys, how's it going? So I got bored and I decided to go on Offroad Outlaws Facebook page. And they had no information for when the new update was coming out with the XJ and the heavy duty new Ford F-Series truck, or the Toyota Hilux, and I started to think of something. So, being that almost all, and I mean like all, of the vanilla trucks are basically getting ready for the public, I've already gotten the, what do you call it? What's the one that was coming out? Oh, the Dodge. The Power Wagon. And so I checked it. I got in Offroad Outlaws today. Of course, I'm doing Offroad Outlaws right now. I'm playing on Woodlands and multiplayer just because. I need some background footage. And oh, come on. I was looking at it, and all of them have come out except for the Cybertruck, which I already plan on doing a video for as soon as it comes out for the public, because I don't want to pay $4 a month. I know, I'm cheap. Wish these fucking little dudes would quit getting under my tires. I had hair in my mouth. But what I was seeing was it was coming out in less than 2 days. It was like a day and 13 hours. So I was like, okay, that's interesting. And so I started to think, I'm like, wait, that's going to be almost all of the cars that we can get, unless you remember. Oh, okay, you can do it. So yeah, those are all the cars you can pretty much get without being a member. And I'm actually thinking about becoming a member, but I gotta do some other stuff before that. Gotta see if it's really that, really that worth it. Come on. But I was thinking, being that all the cars are coming out, or are out at this current time, the update must be coming soon. Because all the cars are pretty much released for public access. So what are they gonna do? Are they gonna make us wait, or... I don't think they are. Knowing Offroad Outlaws. They're one of the best offered games for mobile. And I want to see the XJ. I want to play with the XJ because I own one in real life. Mine's broken. So I want to see what's coming out. I've also heard from a few people, like Dark Thunder Wolf or whatever the hell his name is, that we're getting dually fenders, and my god, my dad's just finally getting up. Hopefully he closes the door this time. Doubt it. Of course not. That's not what we're here for. So I've been watching his videos on it, and he says we're gonna get dually fenders. And that's nice because we can finally put dualies, like finally fit nice looking dualies onto the Raptor tow rig, which is gonna be nice. And it's gonna be nice for a few other builds I have. Possibly tow rigs, possibly not, depends. And I'm excited for that. Another thing he said we might be getting is quads are gonna get new tires and some new upgrades, and they're also gonna be, they're rumored from Offroad Outlaws to drive up and down trailers from now on, which is going to be more realistic and cool. Oh, I'm overheating. Okay. Hurry up. So, I'm just wondering when it's coming out. And I'm sure you guys are too, because I'm excited for the XJ and the Hilux. And also to see some more cars come out. Well, more rigs come out besides those. Oh, we snapped a new tree. Oh well. But yeah, I was like, that's interesting, because of course I'll have pictures and everything up. So yeah, there's that. Oof, ow. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll let you know once the Cybertruck gets released, if there's any more info. On that note, have a good day. Oh god. Have a good day, and I'll see you.